Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about Monte Carlo simulation and how it came into the picture of statistical test. So basically Monte Carlo simulation is a class of statistical method for performance analysis and decision making based on taking random samples from underlying systems or problems to draw inferences or estimates. So let us understand with an example. Let us consider this following situation. We have programs and statistics department versus gender. The programs are BSc statistics, only considered the third year data, MSc statistics, biostatistics, versus gender, that is male and female, and we want to test whether there is association between gender and program in statistics department. So let us go to Excel. So I have taken the data in the Excel and we want to test whether there is association between gender of the student and program in statistics department. So the first assumption to apply chi-square test is to check whether the expected frequencies are more than 5 or not, and here one expected frequency is this value, that is male biostatistics student. Male biostatistics came out to be less than 5, so we have to go for Pearson chi-square test by Monte Carlo method, and we have this formula to calculate the probability, that is the hypergeometric probability. Now we have to find the P estimate, that is the probability estimate for this question. So first of all, let us find the probability for the original data. So these are the MIs, this 29 and 21 are the MIs, and NJs are this, and 50 is the grand total. So let us put these values of this observed data into this formula. So the denominator of these values divide by the factorial of all these values, and after dividing we will get this value. Similarly, I have to calculate probability, this hypergeometric probability, for several other combinations. What I mean by several other combinations is, from the observed data, how I made combinations. Let me show you how I. So from the observed data, that is 11, I subtracted 1 here in the first row. Then in the second column I added 2, and then in the third column I subtracted 1 from the observed value, that is minus 1. In the second row, what I did is I added 1, as in the first row I had subtracted 1, so I had to add 1. So here I would subtract 2, and here I would add 1. So as you can see that I have made a combination in such a way that my marginal totals have remained same. So after putting all these values into the hypergeometric probability, I will get this estimate here, that is 0.009. Similarly, I have made all such combination, as you can see this. So I was able to make 17 such combinations. Now how to find the p-value estimate? So that is the p-value estimate is the addition of all the p-values, or I can say all the two-tailed p-values. This all are my two-tailed p-values. Okay, now I have to add all those two-tailed p-values which are less than the p-value of the original data. So let's take p-value of this first combination, that was 0.009, which is less than 0.049. So I can add to this. Similarly, I can add all the p-values which are less than the p-value of the original data, and my p-value estimate turn out to be 0.196. Now let us compare our answer in SPSS. So I asked SPSS to do Pearson chi-square test by Monte Carlo method, and its p-value turn out to be 0.808, which is more than our p-value. But why it is so? Because the SPS is able to sample 10,000 samples from the original data. So this is the problem, and do not anyways my p-value turn out to be greater than 0.05, so we do not reject the null hypothesis at 5% level of significance, and hence there is no association between the gender of the student and programs and statistics department. To understand the example, and there are many such examples where the assumptions are violated, so we go for Monte Carlo method. So in which statistical test Monte Carlo method is possible? In these all non-parametric tests, Monte Carlo method is possible in SPSS. For more details, check out the research paper I have posted in the description box. Hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.